Hello, my name is Laura. I'm going to be showing you how to use this digital agenda today and show you some recommendations on different customizations. So first things first, on this setup tab, this is where you're going to list all of your subjects and courses. If for some reason you need these lists to be longer, then you can highlight the amount of rows that you need. Just make sure it's not on the bottom or the top here, and then you'll right click and insert rows below. All the formatting will copy, and also the drop-down menus will accommodate as well, because that's the information that we're filling in here, is for the subject courses, type of assignments, and location of assignments. You can change these titles if you want, and change them in the template itself if you don't feel that these are relevant to you. But the default is subjects and courses, types of assignments, and location of assignment. So let's go over to the template itself. You can choose between three colors: green, blue, and pink. So let's say I want to use pink. I'm just going to hide the other ones because there's no real reason to have them. I could also delete them right here. For each week, I recommend using this template for each week. So what you'll do is duplicate and then label it the week that this digital agenda is for. And then I'll put it up here as well. This date here is automatic. If for some reason this is not correct, it's probably the time zone you're in. So you'll want to go to File, Settings, and then choose your time zone here and click Save Settings, and that date should be correct. If you don't feel that some of these columns are relevant to you and you want to get rid of them, you can delete these last 4 columns and it won't affect anything in the spreadsheet. So let's say you want to get rid of the type column, you'll right click and delete it. Or if you want to hide it, you can do that as well. And then to uncollapse, you'll click that little button. So that's just a minor customization that you can do. If you start deleting ones over here, then it will start to delete these tables and this progress bar at the top. Once you type in an assignment, then this date will pop up automatically, and if you delete an assignment, that date will go away. Then you'll select your subject, the status, the due date, and it shows you how many days are left. It is a project in Google Drive, and then I can add any relevant notes or hyperlinks. Then once you complete an assignment, you can cross it off. Then once you go on to a new week, you'll do the same thing where you duplicate the template and then label it again for the week that you want. The last thing I wanted to show you is how to filter. So you can filter by status here. You can filter by any of these columns, but I assume you're probably not going to filter by assignment or notes, maybe. So let's do the other ones. So I'll do subjects and courses. I'll first click clear to clear out all the check marks and then select the subject I want to see. You can do more than one, of course. So I'll just click science and click OK, and then it filters through. Then I'll just click Command Z to bring it back. And maybe now I'll do it by status. I want to see which ones I have not started yet, and click OK. So then it will show me the 2 assignments that are not completed that I have not started yet. Same thing for due date. This one you can filter A to Z, and it will do oldest to newest, or Z to A, which is newest to oldest date. You can filter by type and by location. So that's that. If you have any questions, you can email us at sheets.that.teach@gmail.com, and we'd be happy to help you out.